Hello, so welcome back to my channel. So we're still under ECQ or enhanced community quarantine. So what we're going to do right now is do a parking loop. So again, para maikot-ikot lang din yung scooter para ma-start din. Let's check if there will be any cool bikes or any cool cars. Yan, dito lang sa parking area namin where I live. So, come join me. So, again, this is PWD Drives. So, if you're watching, please do like, share, and please subscribe. So, let's start the loop. So, there's a 240C, a Datsun. Quite a nice car, JDM. Watanabe rims, nice. What else can we find here though? There's an NMAX. Looks like it's lowered though. A BMW? Yeah, it looks like a BMW. This one, it's a Harley Davidson. Nice bars. There's another one, another Harley. So good bikes, nice bikes. Alright, there's a Vespa here. It looks like it's a Vespa Sprint. Nice. So let's check what else do we have here. Later I'll try to go back where the big bikes are. I just want to have a second look. Okay. Let's see from this part. Bikes and e-bikes. What's this covered bike? Interceptor 650. Okay, so I'm not familiar with the Interceptor 650. So if you know that bike, please comment below. This looks like a Royal Enfield. A 350. Yeah, it looks like a 350. Yeah, Royal Enfield. Nice color. Let's go back to the big bikes. I'd like to confirm if it's a BMW. And let's take a look at the Harleys. So that will be the front part of the parking area. Honda Click, Scoopy. Oh, it's a Vespa Primavera. It's a white one, nice color. Nice bike, nice scoot. Primavera. Nothing here, let's pass in here to see the Harleys. This is the Harley Street, I think. Again, please comment below. I may be wrong, but it's a nice bike. This one looks bigger, but it's also Harley. Nice handlebars. This one is nice. It's a BM bike. Nice. See from the other part now. Siyempre kailangan mabait tayo sa mga guards. Again, 40 Datsun. There's the Mustang there. part. Again, this is just a quick vlog. Again, I just want to tour you around their parking space and maybe show you some cool bikes. It's covered. It's a Yamaha Neo. Alright. Yeah, it looks like a Royal Enfield Himalayan. This one here that looks like a PX, a Vespa PX150 or maybe an NML, but accessories wise looks complete. Side mirrors, carriers, windshield. It's nice scooter. The front of that bike, or is it oh, I mean the back. Yeah, this is Vespa. Nice bike. Oh look, now if that's a real Enfield, the one a while ago, this is again Himalayan. Nice. And looking at the right side, it's a Scrambler. Okay. Right, so that's about it. So again, from where I live, it's fairly a small community. So we'll end the vlog now. And I hope you enjoyed this parking loop. Again, I can't do the Sala or Lanai Loop like what I watched in PCX there and other YouTube videos. So hopefully this pandemic ends, or at least it lessens. So I'm back where I started. So again, hopefully this pandemic ends. Please stay safe, stay at home. Again, if you're watching, please do like, subscribe, and enjoy my other vlogs. Until next time, guys, stay safe. Ciao.